I didn't even know this freaking thing lit up. The dome light. Oh, oh, oh. Woo. We got this. Oh, I think this one's broken. You ready to see what kind of parts we got? You're old. All right, let's see what kind of stuff we got. A little slice. A little slice. Oh, this is a 4x4 switch. That's what it is. All right, we got a 4x4 switch. This is heavy. I gotta open all this stuff. I got five bananas. 5 bananas. It's actually just a brake caliper expansion. This isn't for the Tahoe. This is just from like my regular cars. I had one, but I think I gave it away to my friend. I think he helped me move at some point, and I hooked him up with it. So I got this one on Amazon for like $25. What's up? You just getting your tan on? Oy. Watch, he's gonna sizzle. Watch. Here goes. Oh no, he's not gonna sizzle today. Because usually it just rolls over. Let me see if I get it to do it. You gonna do it? There it goes. Alright, so let's go. I got my AC control panel. Yeah, we got that. This was the most expensive part. I got all this on Amazon. This one I think was $110. I got me a window regulator motor, finally, so I could probably finally use my window normally. Hopefully I don't have to take those rivets out on the window regulator, if you can see. Right. Oh, zoom in on my finger now. Jeez. Right there. Door handle. I was worried that I was gonna get the wrong color door handle, but this is the right one. As you can see, it color matches this one and that one. So I'm gonna just set that right there. Got me a 4x4 switch, and because I believe these guys are just shorted out, because intermittently I can hear the 4 high and low click on with you doing nothing to it. And there was a bullcrap alarm that was put into it. You can see that's why I have the fuse panel out here, and you know that's the reason why that stuff was acting up. There's a whole bunch of wires in there, so hopefully this goes in there and messes, or I mean clears it up. If not, I mean it's a brand new switch. I'll need it anyway. The stuff for the window motor. We got me a GM transfer case output shaft seal. I looked on Rock Auto, and this was the same price as it was on Rock Auto, but with Amazon Prime you get it free shipping. So yeah, this seal inside here looks a lot more tighter than the regular Duralast or AutoZone brand one that I get, because I've already put 2 on my transfer case and they leak. So I'm gonna put the OEM transfer case output shaft seal. I'll put some gasket maker all the way around this and hammer it on there all nice and neat. That way I don't have to worry about anything, so I don't have to leak again. But I can tell it already feels much tighter around the seal, and the spring looks a lot stronger, so that's good. We got instructions on how to use the 5 banana brake. Yep, on how to use this guy. That's where that goes. Pretty self-explanatory. Went to Harbor Freight, got me a chalk block so the freaking thing doesn't roll on me, and then I got a few other parts on the way. I think the only thing I'm missing is a door jams, the door jam switch, this guy, which is the reason why my lights stay on with the door closed. That's why that fuse is out. And that should be it. This is a pretty good. Oh, and got one more thing. Got me an AC compressor at a buddy's little car lot that he let me just snag off of it. I was lucky. This was the last one that he had off of a 96 to 99 for a Vortec, so I was able to snag that. And I'm gonna slap that on today as well. And that's about it. I got these. Oh, I got some. These are. I kind of goofed up. You can tell here on the edge, it's starting to peel. No matter how much heat I put on it, it does whatever. But I can redo it later. It doesn't matter. But I kind of like it. I kind of like the tinted. Like I was never big with the red and black, but it looks pretty good. So I'll do all this stuff. Hopefully I don't have to take it out. Like I said, I can swap out a lot of this stuff real easy and go from there. Damn. There we go. This is the best mod I've done yet. Look at that. No more squeak. No more freaking squeak. I got it recovering right now. I'm gonna do, all my vacuum leak checks and whatnot. Got this. I was cleaning my fingers. But dang, I can turn it on. No, no more. Wait. No more squeak. No more squeak. There we go. Whoo, man. All right, I need to do the window motor, but this is like, dude. If I get AC, I'm gonna be so happy. This is my door panel sensor. Don't need that. That brake, I bought a brake kit on Amazon for $25 and it came with free gloves. This is freaking dope. And I still gotta put this door handle in on that side. But if I get AC and no squeak, ooh, I'll be riding around better than like 99% of the Tahoes that are around here. And then what else do we do? This guy, the old one, I'm not even gonna go get my money back for it. Took it out, and what actually happened is that, yeah, this seal was leaking a little bit. Not around this where it goes into the transfer case, but the spring that's inside. So it was actually leaking through here, through the drive shaft. And it was actually leaking through the drive shaft. I'll show you. This is like the junk pile. This is a little bit of a bad example. Well, no, that's actually a pretty good example. So right here, my glove is a seal, right? Drive shaft goes into the seal. But what happened is that my drive shaft was actually leaking right in here. So obviously this is engulfed in fluid once you slide it into the transfer case. So, you know, right here, slide it in. But on the other side, there's actual fluid, which is why you have a seal right here. But in my case, it was actually leaking all through around here. So what I did, what's up, Cliff? I fixed it. I'm not gonna tell you how I fixed it, but just know that I fixed it. Okay. Actually, I just used a bunch of this. So it looks like there was a pinch weld, or a little bit, and I just I caked it up around the drive shaft, put a new seal on it, and it is dry. So the next thing I gotta do is I gotta do the coolant, or I gotta do the intake gaskets for the coolant. And dude, if I get AC, dude, I'm riding. I'll be so happy. I'll be so damn happy. That's a little bit of update about what's going on. And that's about it. One thing that you do have to worry about, I don't even know if there's anything to worry about, really. Oh, and what I was gonna say, if you were to worry about to install it, obviously this one is removed. But what I have is part of my bearing press kit, or my bushing press kit. You can actually use this, cup over it, and it will slide on there nice and easy, as you can see right there. That's, you know, that's on backwards, and then you can hammer it on, and that's about it. Dang, look at that. And then one other thing, I know I put it in a last video that I was gonna decide on what kind of tires I was gonna get, but the tires are wrong. I'm a little bit too small on the tires. That's the tire size that I'm gonna need. I'm gonna keep with the regular wheels for right now. And on the door sticker says 65, 75, 16. 65, 75. These here are a 55, 70. So a little bit tinier. So when what I think I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna stay with Milestar, because they're like super, the reviews are super crazy good. And I don't know, maybe I'll go with I don't know if I'm gonna go with all-terrain or a mud tire, but I'm super new to it, so I think I'm gonna go with a Patagonia, which is like a mud tire in the center tread and then all-terrain on the outside. Oh man, it's actually draining the oil. ASMR again. Yeah, I know you like that. So I don't know, you know, but then again, if I lower it, I don't know, I think it'll look good lowered with the Patagonias. Just a little bit, you know, just a little bit. Why are you gonna lower it and put Patagonias on it? Because I want to, and I want to live my life. So deal with it. Woo! Look at that. I don't have my temp gun with me, but that's cold. Ooh. Yo, we got AC. Yo, we got AC. Woo. Look at that, compressor engaged. Dang, okay. The AC may not last forever because this Schrader valve is leaking like really bad. I'm not gonna lie. Like it was hissing out and this shut it up. So it may last forever, who knows? But yeah. Damn. Damn. Man, I need to get my temp. Actually, the AC works good. This chilly. Whew. 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 Oh my goodness. We got no more trans leak. We got, oh, and you can see it's gonna start to get hot. Oh my goodness. Oh yes. Oh, you have no idea. Oh man, and look. The dome light? Oh! 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 Woo. We got this. Oh, I think this one's broken. Yeah, that one's broken. RIP to that one. But we're good. But what's in here? Is there something in here? I don't know, but we got stuff. We got garage door opener, that's what it says. That's what the owner's manual says. Some sunglass holder. More stuff. Look at. Oh! Oh! Damn! Feeling accomplished. Okay. I gotta fix. Okay, you know what? We're squeaking a little bit. We're squeaking a little bit. But we're fine. Yeah, we're fine. Hopefully I can service that pulley by itself and it'll go away. That victory was short-lived. I just heard a bunch of hissing coming out of the condenser. Until next time. Woo! I didn't even know this freaking thing lit up. Look at that. I got freaking lights on my AC control panel. And I got lights on my 4x4 control panel. Look at that. That's money well spent right there. Look at that. Yeah, the blower motor is a little, you know, a little noisy. A little noisy, you know, quiet it. There we go. Quiet it down a bit. But dang. Oh, that's a nice sunset. That's freaking dope.